Looking to upgrade your car's sound system without hassle? Scosche speaker adapters let you swap out your factory speakers for high-quality aftermarket ones, fitting seamlessly into your vehicle's original speaker locations. This means better sound, easier installation, and no cutting or drilling required. These adapters are designed specifically for most 6.5 inches or 6.75 inches aftermarket speakers, accommodating a top mount diameter up to 5 5/8 inches. Before you buy, simply check the measurements to make sure your new speakers fit perfectly. This precision fit keeps everything secure and gap-free, so your upgraded sound stays crisp and stable. Whether you drive a 2005 to 2020 Buick, Cadillac, Chevrolet, GMC, Hummer, Pontiac, or Saturn, these adapters have you covered. The fit guide included helps you confirm compatibility with your exact model, saving you time and guesswork. It's a smart choice for those who want a clean, professional upgrade without the headaches. Made from high-grade ABS materials, these adapters aren't just about fit, they're built to last. The durable construction resists wear and tear, ensuring your speakers stay locked in place for the long haul. That's important when you want your investment in sound quality to stand the test of time. I recently installed these adapters on a 2008 Tahoe where the factory speakers were underwhelming. The brackets fit perfectly, making the upgrade straightforward and stress-free. The client noticed the difference immediately and was thrilled with the improved sound quality. It's proof that the right adapter can make all the difference. What sets Scosche apart is their commitment to support. Every purchase comes with lifetime tech support and a limited lifetime warranty. That means you're not just buying a product, you're gaining peace of mind knowing help is always available if you need it. If you're ready to enhance your car's audio without complicated modifications, these speaker adapters are worth a look. They make the upgrade process smoother, protect your investment, and deliver reliable performance every time. Try them when you're ready to hear your music the way it's meant to be heard. Upgrade your vehicle's sound system confidently with Scosche speaker adapters. Designed for select Buick, Cadillac, Chevrolet, and more, they offer a precise fit, durable build, and lifetime support. Make the switch today and enjoy clearer, richer sound on every drive.